Welcome to One More Guru. In this video, I'll explain how to deposit money into your XM trading account step by step. To get started, sign into your XM account and make sure you are logged into a real trading account, not a demo account. This is important because deposits can only be made into real accounts. Once you are logged in, look toward the top right corner of the screen, where you will find your wallet section. Click on the wallet, and you will see the deposit option listed first. Select Deposit, and XM will display all the available funding methods. Before you can proceed, ensure that your account and identity have been fully verified, as verification is required to make deposits. You will then be able to choose from several deposit options, including credit or debit cards, Neteller, Skrill, international wire transfers, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. Select the payment method that works best for you. For example, if you choose to deposit using a credit or debit card, click on that option and enter the amount you wish to deposit. After that, fill in your card details as requested. The exact steps may vary slightly depending on the payment method you choose, but the overall process remains similar. Once you have entered all the required information and confirmed the transaction, the funds will be deposited into your XM trading account, provided your account is verified. That's all it takes to add money to your XM account. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, please like the video and subscribe to One More Guru for more helpful tutorials and trading guides.